Today, we're diving deep into the unwritten rules of Tesla ownership. If you're a proud Tesla owner or thinking about joining the electric revolution, this guide is for you. We'll cover the etiquette every Tesla owner should know to ensure a smooth and respectful experience for everyone in the community. From supercharger stations to everyday driving, these tips will help you avoid common mistakes and make the most out of your Tesla ownership. So buckle up, let's get started. Let's start off with the heart of Tesla ownership etiquette, the supercharger stations. These are the lifelines for long-distance travel in your Tesla, but they can also be points of contention if not used properly. First and foremost, respect the queue. When you arrive at a supercharger station, take a moment to see if there are other Tesla owners waiting. If there are, park next to them and ask who was first. This helps maintain order and ensures everyone gets a fair chance to charge. For example, imagine you're at a busy supercharger station during a holiday weekend. There are several cars waiting and only a few stalls are free. You pull up and see that there's a line. What do? You park next to the waiting cars and ask who was next. This simple act of courtesy ensures that everyone gets their turn without confusion or frustration. Next, use superchargers wisely. They're designed for long trips, not daily commuting. If you can charge at home or at work, do so. This frees up the supercharger spots for those who really need them during their journeys. Now, about sharing stalls. Tesla superchargers often have AB stalls where two cars can charge from one pedestal. However, sharing these stalls reduces the charging speed for both vehicles. So unless the station is completely full, try not to share. Take a stall that's not occupied to get the full charging speed. Parking is another crucial aspect. Make sure you're not taking up more space than necessary. Don't park across multiple stalls or in disabled parking unless you have the proper permit. If you have a Model X with a trailer, it's considerate to disconnect the trailer before charging to free up space. Patience is key at supercharger stations. Avoid honking or blocking other cars. Instead, use your waiting time wisely. Many stations are located near amenities like coffee shops or restaurants, so you can grab a bite or do some work while your car charges. Keep the area clean. Don't leave trash behind. Tesla provides trash cans at many stations, so use them. When it comes to charging, don't overdo it. Charging to 100% takes significantly longer than charging to 80 to 90%. For most trips, 80 to 90% is sufficient, and it allows you to free up the stall faster for the next person. Another scenario, you're on a road trip and your battery is critically low. You arrive at a supercharger station that's almost full. In this case, it's acceptable to take any available stall, even if it means sharing an AB stall, but always be mindful of others' needs. Noise is another factor. Keep your car's audio system at a reasonable volume. Remember, others might be working or relaxing nearby, so respect their peace. I've seen videos where Tesla owners blast music while charging, which can be disruptive. Imagine you're trying to have a quiet conversation or make a phone call while waiting, and suddenly loud music fills the air. It's not pleasant, so keep the volume down. Also, don't use the supercharger area as a restroom. There are usually public restrooms nearby, so use those instead. After charging, make sure to place the charging cable back in its holster properly. This protects the cable from weather and damage. Once your car is charged, move it promptly. Lingering at the station after charging can incur idling fees, and more importantly, it blocks others from using the stall. Lastly, park within the lines. Improper parking can make a stall unusable for others, so take care to position your car correctly. Speaking of long drives and waiting at superchargers, comfort is key. Whether you're on a road trip or just waiting for your car to charge, having the right accessories can make all the difference. That's where Tesla neck pillows come in. Designed specifically for Tesla owners, these pillows are perfect for those long journeys or naps while your car charges. Let's take a moment to learn more about them. These pillows are ergonomically designed to fit perfectly in your Tesla's headrest, providing unparalleled comfort during long drives or while waiting at superchargers. What sets Tesla neck pillows apart is their easy installation and removal without any hassle. No more fumbling with straps or clips, just slide it on and enjoy. Made from premium memory foam, these pillows contour to your neck and head, reducing strain and ensuring you arrive at your destination feeling refreshed. But that's not all. Tesla neck pillows also feature a sleek, modern design that complements the interior of your Tesla. adding a touch of style to your comfort. Whether you're taking a cross-country road trip or just need a quick nap while your car charges, Tesla neck pillows are here to make your journey more enjoyable. And for our viewers today, we have a special offer. Use the code TESLAEtiquette at checkout to get 15% off your purchase. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your Tesla ownership experience. Beyond Supercharger etiquette, there are some other aspects of Tesla ownership where etiquette plays a role. First, monitor your charge using the Tesla app. This way, you can receive alerts when your car is fully charged, allowing you to move it promptly without constantly checking. Engaging with the Tesla community is another great way to enhance your ownership experience. At Supercharger stations, don't hesitate to say hi to other owners. You might learn something new about your car or share tips on the best routes or charging spots. Tesla owners are generally a friendly bunch, and these interactions can make your ownership journey more enjoyable. Respecting parking spaces is crucial. Don't park in EV-only spots unless you have an EV, and even then, make sure you're not blocking other EVs from charging if there are chargers nearby. When parking your Tesla, whether at a charging station or elsewhere, make sure to park within the lines. This is not only courteous, but also practical, as it prevents damage to your car and others. When driving, remember that Teslas have a low center of gravity, which can be surprising for new owners. Take corners smoothly to avoid scraping the bottom. Also, be aware of the regenerative braking system. While it's great for energy recovery, it can be abrupt if you're not used to it, so adjust the regeneration level to your comfort. Another etiquette point is to keep your Tesla clean, both inside and out. Not only does it look better, but it also helps maintain the car's value and functionality. For example, keeping the touchscreen clean ensures better visibility and interaction, while washing the car regularly prevents corrosion, especially in areas with harsh weather conditions. For those planning long trips, consider preconditioning your battery before arriving at a supercharger. This means using the car's navigation to route to the supercharger, which will warm up the battery for faster charging. If you're on a long journey, charge to 80% at superchargers along the way rather than waiting for the battery to get too low. This helps maintain battery health and reduces stress. Lastly, always be mindful of your surroundings. Teslas are quiet, so pedestrians and other drivers might not hear you approaching. Drive cautiously, especially in areas with foot traffic. In conclusion, being a respectful Tesla owner is about more than just following the rules. It's about fostering a community of considerate drivers. By keeping these etiquette tips in mind, you'll not only enjoy your Tesla more, but also make the experience better for everyone around you. I'd love to hear from you. What is your favorite Tesla etiquette tip? Or have you had any funny or frustrating experience at supercharger stations? Share your stories in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Tesla tips and tricks like this video. Drive safely and charge responsibly. Until next time, peace.